Hi, you've been browsing internet looking for some info on chemical peels. You are in the right place. Here at the Sandford Dental Clinic, we're experts in that matter. Come with me and I will answer 3 most frequently asked questions on that subject. The first most asked question about the peels is, will my face burn? So I'm using Perfect Peel. That's the peel that is self-neutralizing, medium strength, so your face will not burn. The face will feel tight, dry, the skin will be peeling nicely to leave you with the newer, better looking skin, but no burns. The second question is, will one peel be enough? Will one session be enough? So it depends on your face concerns. If you suffer from large pores, acne scarring, you might need more than 1 peel, and then we will repeat them every 4 to 6 weeks. The third question is how long the results will last, meaning how frequently I need to have my peel redone. So aim for like once a year, once every 2 years, and the best time to have it done is winter, because obviously when the peel is applied, the skin is more sensitive, so we want to avoid sun, and winter is a good time actually to avoid sun. We miss sun. I hope you find information on peels useful. Thank you for your attention. Like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time!